Hello and welcome back to Smart Finance with Yemi Oseni. Let me ask you, did school ever teach you how money really works? For most people, the answer is no. That's why so many struggle financially. But today, I'll share 10 powerful rules of money you were never taught, rules that can transform your financial future in 2025. Rule number 1: money is a tool, not a goal. Wealthy people use money to create freedom, opportunities, and impact, not just to spend. Rule number 2: pay yourself first before bills or shopping. Save and invest at least 10 to 20% of your income. Rule number 3: make money work, for you don't just work for money. Invest so money works while you sleep. Rule number 4: avoid bad debt. Debt with high interest destroys wealth. Use debt only if it builds assets. Rule number 5: control your lifestyle. Don't upgrade everything when your income grows. Invest the difference. Rule number 6: build multiple streams of income. Relying on one income is dangerous. Create side hustles and investments. Rule number 7: learn continuously. Financial education never stops. Books, podcasts, mentors all matter. Rule number 8: protect your wealth. Insurance, emergency funds, and smart planning keep you safe from surprises. Rule number 9: think long-term. The rich think in decades, not days. Patience grows real wealth. Rule number 10: share and give back. Money grows when you give, whether through charity, helping family, or building community. White right pointing backhand index. Master these 10 rules, and you'll never look at money the same way again. If you found this helpful, hit like, comment your favorite rule, and subscribe for more powerful money tips. This is Yemi Oseni, reminding you, think smart, grow smart.